CIC portfolio. I'm going to run through the lesson plan, the objectives, the activities that I'm going to give the learners, and how I'm going to accommodate other learners. So now, I'm going firstly to start by the objectives that I created for this lesson. I chose grade 5, metals and non-metals for term 2. That's the topic that we're going to focus on. So the objective will be, by the end of the lesson, the learners will be able to identify objects that are metals and non-metals around us. Number 2 is going to be, by the end of the lesson, learners will be able to identify properties of metals and non-metals objects. Then number 3 is going to be, by the end of the lesson, learners will be able to identify that metals are good conductors and heat, and non-metals are not. This will be done by me demonstrating a simple experiment in class. So activities that I'm going to give them pertaining this topic is going to be, I'm going to let them watch a hook video on the screen, which is going to be a video about metals, and they are going to be predicting what they think the metal and the object is, a metal or a non-metal. So I'm going to be doing it like this now, on the screen before the object will appear, and then I'm going to pause the video, and then I'm going to ask in the class for them to predict, and then they're going to predict, and then I'm going to resume the video now to see the answer with them. And then number 2 is going to be an interactive task on the screen, or on the lab interactive screen, meaning that I'm going to let the learners participate with me and go forward on the board and drag what they think the object belongs to which column, meaning that it's like this now, meaning that they are going to come each, they're going to drag, I'm going to give them each a chance. So now this is very interactive because now they are going to be exposed to um, the technology that I'm using there. So they're going to do it like this. And then number 3 is going to be a quiz. Now a quiz, I created a quiz on Kahoot. The quiz is on, I've uploaded all of my activities on my website. So now you can access those ones on my website. Activities here, activities, you can access them. It's a quiz, it's a YouTube video, and the last one is, it's a YouTube video. Number 2 is the document that I presentation that they are going to be able to drag and drop on the screen. And then the last one is the quiz. So I'm going to give them each a chance to do that. So my activities are very, very interesting because now I'm accommodating a different type of learners that have a good eyesight, or that learn well with visual elements and so forth. So I'm going to cater for them, and I'm also going to cater for learners who are not confident like that. So I'm going to pause the video and not put pressure on them to answer the question, meaning that I'm going to give them a chance to think through it and obviously give me an answer or a prediction on that specific object. So I've substituted here with the SMR hierarchy, and I've substituted here the purpose of writing notes on the board, which learners usually don't concentrate well when you write just notes because they don't have a meaning. So by watching it, by letting them watch a video, they're going to be more engaged and participant. So the other one, I've substituted that we are doing but two for interactive screen instead of using or dishing out papers for them to do, which is going to take which is the traditional way of doing things. This is just a quick one for them to learn quickly by visuals and so forth. So they're going to come on the board and just do the drag and drop, and then this exposes them to the technology that is in the school. So the other one, the technology I've used here is obviously the video, the YouTube video, and obviously number two is the interactive screen, which is present at the school. And then the last one is going to be the quiz. I've noticed that also the schools, some other schools have tablets. So learners I can just send the link to them and they can access the quiz and do the quiz there. So those are the things that I have developed for this lesson. So yes, thank you. I think done now. Thank you very much.